Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Anastasia, or SimplyStasia on Instagram and other places on the internet. So today I'm going to be showing you more flat twist styles because why not? I love flat twists, they're easy to do. It's a great way to keep your hair protected and keep it moisturized, and it's low manipulation, which I am prioritizing this year. So here's the style. It's just some simple flat twists. Just 6 flat twists. It's not a lot. I know usually I do quite a few. This time I reeled it in. It's only 6 and they're pinned up. So this is easy. This is so beginner friendly. So I think you're gonna like it. I know I do. Maybe you will too. Anyway, so let's get into the tutorial. As you're going to see, when I go to the next scene, I'm starting on freshly washed hair, so go wash your hair or go wet your hair and then come back and let's style. Okay, let's go. I washed and deep conditioned my hair. So I've actually been using a few new products. So I've been using a clarifying shampoo. It's called As I Am Curl Clarity and I'm liking it so far. My hair feels clean, my scalp feels a lot cleaner than usual, so that's good. I used, I'm gonna butcher this name, Shea Moisture. I think it's like Manuka, Honey, something else and something else. Deep Repair Hair Mask, I don't know. I would have brought it, but I left it in the shower, so I'll put a picture here of it. And for styling, I'm using 2 products I've been using for a while now, and my hair loves them. As I Am Long and Luxe GroYogurt leave-in conditioner, and then also the Long and Luxe Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I'll be using these together, and I use them for my twist outs really often. I'm going to work with a middle part. So pretty much the style is just a middle part, and then you have twists on either side. And my idea is to pin them up in the back. So I'm gonna have no hair down. And it's gonna be super cool and it's gonna be an awesome protective style. To start, I need a nice straight middle part. And the great thing is, not only do I have my nose, but I have this scar right in the middle of my head to help me figure out where the middle of my head is so I never forget. I like to try and keep my hair moist, so I always have a spray bottle on hand so I can re-moisturize my hair. And I apply the leave-in first to the larger section, and then I will apply like the styling product in smaller sections. So that's typically my method. Okay, so now that I have moisturized both sides of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and part either side. So this is what my hair looks like with just the leave-in. And it's super moisturizing. I really like it. I only wanna do 3 big fat flat twists on either side. So that's what I'm gonna do. So similar to my braided style, I'm gonna try and go with the shape or with my hairline. So I'm not gonna work against myself. I'm gonna work with what I've been given, which is a crooked hairline that is thin, but it's mine. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Isn't it so interesting how like every company calls their product a Curl Enhancing Smoothie? Like, I don't know. When did a smoothie become the thing? Which marketing genius decided to call it that? I don't know. Don't know. I'm gonna make sure I have a lot of this in my hair so that it's so moist. And alternatively, you could use a gel or some sort of edge control, whatever you want. This is just my product combo that I like. And you can see I'm even getting a little bit of definition from, there's a spider in the corner of my room. I don't mind spiders, but it's really close to me. Okay, and if you don't know how to flat twist, And you've been following me, what are you doing? I'm sure I have a flat twist tutorial. It might be old by now, but flat twisting is so easy. Just, you know, pick up your 2 strands, split it in half, go over, pick up some more, come over, and keep picking up and adding to the section as you go. So simple. And for me, it's a lot easier than braiding. I've never been much of a braider. It's just not my thing. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going, coming back and back. Here I'm gonna add a little bit more of the product because I find, I don't know, by this point it feels like I need a little bit more. Just so the ends especially, which is the driest part of my hair, will be extra moist. So that's one twist. And sometimes I will pin it in place or like use a metal alligator clip to hold in place, but I actually would prefer it to kind of thicken up. So I'm just gonna let it do its own thing, get really juicy and big, and we're gonna come back to it later. I'm working on one side first, and then I'm just gonna mirror those parts onto this side after. I find that's the easiest way for me to get my hair to be the same on each side without, you know, like taking a whole lot of time. That's just what works for me. Okay. Same idea, we're gonna let that kind of puff up. And then this last section here, so now because this one is super thick and chubby, I am gonna pin it down because it will puff up way too much. So this side is done. I'm gonna go do the next side. I like to put an elastic band at the end of each of my twists. Now you don't have to do this, but I find that it helps me when I'm trying to pin it in place. So wherever I pin it, it kind of just stays better. So I'm gonna add my elastic to the end of each. I've seen some people, they'll soak their elastic bands in oil to kind of help it so it doesn't break your hair as much. I've never tried that. I don't see the harm in doing it. I just try not to put the elastics too tight, so I'll only loop it a couple times. I've never done this before, but my idea is to kind of just like pin each twist in between the other twists, like so. All right, so here is the finished flat twist look. I'm actually way happier with how this turned out than I thought I would be. And I think this is gonna replace my old flat twist style. So this is way easier, a lot quicker, a lot less work, and it still looks really cool, and all my hair is still protected. So this is definitely going to be added to my protective styling arsenal. You may see this style a lot more. That's it. Let me know what you think of this simple flat twist protective style. Let me know if you try it, and if you do happen to try it, I would love to see your recreations or how you do it. You can tag me on Instagram or send it to me through my DMs, whatever works for you. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.